Good morning. Uh, Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Uh, Today I will show you how to insert, update and delete item into the database table using control parameter of SQL data source. So how to use SQL data source control properties, or you can say the control parameters. I want to insert items by using the text box with the help of the text box, you can say. So to do this task, create a database table using SQL data source file. So we have a table in the database, and table contains these columns. The default parameter is ASP parameter. When we click advanced properties of SQL data source, I will show you. These are the these are the fields in the database table. That is ID, that is integer type. Identity is 1 by 1. It means auto increment by 1 by 1. Username, password, email. These columns are variable type characters. So this is the table fields in the database. So first of all, I want to insert item in the table by using the text box. So add a web form. Design. Add 3 text box. First of all, first for the username, second for password, and the last one is for email. So for proper layout, add a table using HTML tab. Add 3 text box. If you want to use validations just after this, you can use this. So please see all validations by using my video tutorials, which is discussed earlier. Now change the button that is insert. Actually, SQL data source provide these features to get the items, select items, and many more things. So here I will show you one by one these all such properties. I have a connection string is already there in web.config file. You can select your database, and Visual Studio automatically create a connection string for this. Okay. So select a connection string. If you want to remove this connection string from this line, so I want to save connection string by the another name. Just after add the tr. test query. Yeah, that's fine. After selecting the advanced tab. Okay, now check the parameters, which is that is connection string is under in web.config file. So check the parameter, that is, and also add the insert command, update command and delete command. So first of all, discuss about the insert parameter. I want to show the value from the text boxes, so here we add the control parameter. Okay, add control parameter, also add here control ID property. Okay, and the control ID property, in it we have to assign the text box ID property, that is the text box 1, text box 2 and text box 3 are the ID property of the text boxes. Okay, yeah, text box 1, this is the ID property of the text box 1. Similarly for the text box 2, and the last is that text box 3. Okay, so if you want to add item by using the, when we click on the insert button, so SQL Data Source provide the insert method to add item in the database table. Okay, that is the insert. Okay, run this applications on browser. Similarly, we will do for the update and the delete method. Actually, if you know about the SQL, the update method is working on the unique key. So by using update method, we can update only the single row according to the SQL Data Source default advanced tab. So I will take another text box for the ID. First, to see the output of the insert parameter, jacob@gmail.com. Okay, now check it by using the show data jacob@gmail.com. That's fine. Okay, now also add to another button, that is update and the delete button. So in this update parameter, we have 4 column, and the last column represent the ID. So for the ID we will take another text box. Okay, text box 2 dot text. Similarly for the control ID, that is control ID text box 3, and the last for the text box 4. Okay, but in the design window we have not the text box 4. So similarly add text box 4. Similarly in the delete parameter add the text box 4 only. Okay, for the ID. That is the text box 4. Okay, fine. When we click on the button that is update, so SqlDataSource 1 dot update method run according to the ID, and similarly for the delete button, when we click on the delete button, SqlDataSource 1 run the delete method. Okay, that's fine. Now run the application on browser and see your output. I want to remove the first row. Yeah, that's a remove successfully. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please keep watching my all video tutorial. Thank you very much.